Review: Aa Okkati Adakku, merely light-hearted fun. Aa Okkati Adakku, Allari Naresh's latest film, debuted on large screens today to a fair amount of anticipation. Check out our review to find out how the movie does. Narrative: Government officer Ganapathy, Allari Naresh, has been looking for a perfect bride for years, driven by his need to get married. He joins Happy Matrimony in order to complete his goal, where he meets Seedhi, Jaria Abdullah. She does not feel the same way that Ganapathy feels about her being his future partner. Days go by, and a startling truth about Seedhi comes to light. The disclosure clarifies Seedhi's actual identity. Has Ganapathy met her true love? What happens on the big screen holds the key to the solution. Bonus points. Allari Naresh skillfully reverts to his humorous origins, displaying perfect timing and putting on a fantastic performance. In her part, Jaria Abdullah makes an excellent impression, embodying a nuanced, multifaceted figure that merits admiration. The humor of the movie is greatly enhanced by supporting players like Jamie Lever, Harsh Chemudu, and Vennela Kishore, who offer much-needed comedic relief throughout. The movie depicts contemporary families' realities, particularly in relation to marriage. It features sequences that delve into the customs and expectations that modern society has around marriage. Negative points. The movie misses opportunities for humor because of its overarching theme, which is unfortunate given Allari Naresh's exceptional performance. The film loses some of its humorous charm in the second half and turns towards serious issues, which may not keep viewers as interested. The climax seems rushed and shallow, and characters like Jamie Lever and Kalpa Lata could have been exploited to forge deeper emotional bonds. For more chuckles, Harsha Chemudu and Vennela Kishore might have shared more screen time. In addition, the movie's overall effect is diminished by just okay music and pacing problems in both halves. Technical details. The attempt by first-time director Malli Ankam to combine humor and a social message is commendable, but it fails because the screenplay isn't well written. Nonetheless, the movie offers some awareness and insight into how marriage matching websites operate. The editing by Chhota K. Prasad is somewhat lacking, and although Surya's photography and Gopi Sundar's music are passable, Abburi Ravi's dialogue lacks the necessary impact. The production values are nevertheless excellent. Conclusion. Overall, Aa Okkati Adakku offers humorous moments together with a timely social message. The performances of the ensemble cast, which includes Jamie Lever, Jaria Abdullah, Harsha Chemudu, Vennela Kishore, and Allari Naresh, are entertaining, but the film's execution is not up to par. Watchers hoping for more might be let down by applauding climax and pacing problems. It's best to have reasonable expectations when thinking about seeing this movie.